back again with another tip, a marketing tip for you. And this is again in regard to marketplace. Just a quick tip this time. When you are posting your pieces and you have put them up for sale and you have great copy and beautiful photos and it doesn't sell, what do? Well, some people are recommending that after a week or two that you lower the price. I am going to tell you do the opposite. Don't do that. Hang on to your piece. If you haven't sold it and you're getting impatient, or if it hasn't sold after maybe a week or two, then I suggest you take it down. Wait a day or two or even up to a week and then repost it. I have found that most of my pieces have sold within a day or two or maybe even hours after posting it, because that's when it goes up in the feed and you'll see in Marketplace where it says recently added, and that usually is either the first, right when you go local, you click on local and it's usually the first item that's for sale, and or when they scroll down you'll see it's under recently added. That's when people see it. You got to get your stuff in front of people. If you post and then it goes all the way down in the feed because hundreds of others are up there posted above yours, they're not going to see it unless they specifically search for keywords that are in your copy. So don't just put it up there. Don't do hope marketing. Hope marketing is you just throw it up there and hope somebody will find it. There's strategy on Marketplace and on those buy, sell, trade sites. So to recap, post your piece, have good copy, good photos and all that, and we'll talk about that in the future. But if it doesn't sell within a week or two, take it down, wait a little bit, and then post it again. And it doesn't even hurt if you're going to change a copy a little bit. But for the most part, you're taking it down and putting it back up in front of the people. That's a huge tip because that's what we have found that has brought us the quickest sales. That's it for now. And leave your tips below and let me know if there's something that you want me to talk about. Have a great day.